Welcome to another Ballet for Tutorials. I'm Jelena, and today we have a daily stretching routine. We are going to begin with pour the bra to the sides. Recover and repeat the same to the other side. Breathe in and out. Recover up, and this time we are going to hold that stretch for 1, 2, 3, 4, and recover. Repeat the same to the other side. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, we are going to do pour the bra forward. We are going to lower chest. We are going to try to touch the floor with our fingertips while relaxing your chest, your back, and your neck. Keep breathing in, out, and recover up with round back. We are going to repeat one more time. Chest down, relax neck, back, keep breathing in, out, recover up, and we are going to turn toes to the diagonal in front of us. Torso lower down towards the front leg. You're going to relax your neck. And if you want to increase this stretch, you can do so by bending your back leg. We are going to return facing center, toes facing fully forward, recover up, and repeat the same, this time facing the other diagonal. Chest forward, lower down, breathe in, out, bend your back leg. You're going to keep breathing. Once you're ready, turn facing the front and recover through a round back, relaxed neck. Now we're going to do a second position, and we are going to drop left shoulder down and alternate to right. And again, we're going to do left and change to right. Once you're ready, we are going to recover up, and we are going to sit on the floor, legs in front of you, and pour the bra forward. We are going to do pour the bra 1, 2, recover 3, 4, pour the bra again 1, 2, recover 3, 4, 1/3 pour the bra, and we hold for 8 counts. 3, 4, 5, 6, recover, 7, repeat one more time, and 1, 2, up, 3, 4, and 2, 2, up, 3, 4, and 3, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, recover, up, bring your right knee up, open, and repeat everything, 1, 2, up, 3, 4, keep breathing, 1, 2, up, 3, 4, and hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up, repeat everything a second time, and 1, 2, up, 3, 4, and up, 3, 4, and hold, 1, 7, 8. You're gonna bring your right heel on top of your left knee and repeat exactly the same. 1, 2, up, 3, 4. This time we're going to target and focus more on stretching those glutes, opening up your hips, and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up, 7, second time, and 1, 2, up, 3, 4, and 1, 2, up, 3, 4. Deep breath in and hold. Up, 7, 8. You're going to place that foot on the inside of your leg. You're going to turn towards the knee, facing behind you, and feel a slight twist of your back while breathing in, out, recover, and now repeat everything with left leg bent. And down, 2, up, 3, 4, and down, 2, up, 3, 4, and down, hold, 3, 4, 5, 6, up, 7, 8, and repeat one more time. And 1, 2, up, 3, 4, and 1, up, 3, 4, and hold. Keep breathing in, out, and once you're ready, 6, 7, left ankle on top of your right knee, and repeat. And 1, up, 3, 4, and 2, up, 3, 4, and 3, hold, 2. Keep breathing, and up, 7, 8, repeat, 1, 2, up, 3, 4, and 2, 2, up, 3, 4, and 3. Good, keep breathing in, out, feel the stretch of the glutes, recover up, place your left foot on the ground, turn towards your knee, look behind you and feel that super good stretch on your back, your glutes. Once you're ready, we are going to recover to the center and we are going to lay on our backs. You're going to bend both knees and you're going to bring your left ankle on top of your right knee. You're going to hold your legs behind your thigh and you're going to bring that right knee towards your chest. Keep breathing in, out. This is figure 4 stretch and you're going to change to the other leg. It's called figure 4 because if you look at it, it almost looks like a 4 from the upside down. Keep breathing in, out. Once you're ready, you're going to lower legs. Now you're going to extend right leg up. You are going to hold your ankles and try to bring your leg as close at your chest as possible. Change legs and repeat the same to the other side. Breathe in, out. Once you are ready, we are going to sit back up and we are going to do lounge position, either right or left leg in front. I just want you to make sure that you have a straight line between your knee, your ankle, that you are pressing hips forward. And if you want to increase this stretch, you can lower chest down and rest on your elbows. Once you're ready, you're going to bring hips back, bend your back leg, stretch front leg, toes pointing up, and lower torso as lower as you can. Breathing in, out, and once you're ready, we are going to change legs. Leg in front of you, right. Perfect. Pressing hips down, proud chest. You can lower chest down, rest over your elbows just to increase that stretch. Keep breathing in and out. Once you are ready, you are going to press hips back, bend your back leg, stretch your front leg, toes pointing up to the roof, and lower your chest as lower as you can with each breath in and out. Great. Once you're ready, we are going to stand up and finish this great routine with a good quad stretch. Hip forward, knee back, proud chest. Change to the other leg. You can use the wall, a chair, kitchen counter, anything that can help you to stay stable. I will stretch a little bit my hips just to make extra sure that they are really ready for the next ballet class. Quick double pirouette, and thank you guys. See you next time.